Good morning, we are out the door. It's 10 o'clock and we are meeting our tour guide slash driver. And today we're gonna go to Uluwatu Temple. I think we're just gonna go out and explore this beautiful place. It's our last full day here. Yesterday we went to Broken Beach and Angels Billabong. And now we're gonna go and explore more of the city. So we love it. The weather is incredibly beautiful. Might be a little hot today because there's not as many clouds, but I think it's going to be pretty awesome. So follow along.
This is the story of a family of 4 traveling the world as often as possible, sharing their adventures. Join us all in this season as we find exciting new places to explore, living this crazy life on the go. If you like our videos, please hit the like and subscribe button. It helps us out a lot.
Good. Put your glasses on. They don't do you any good in the hand.
It's your blue jacket.
Put it on the outside.
Today we started at the Garuda Wisnu Kencana Cultural Park. The main attraction is a ginormous statue which can be seen from almost anywhere in southern Bali. Many people dislike the size of the statue and have stated that it's an eyesore to the beautiful skyline of Bali. And although I can agree with them, we really enjoyed the tour and the statue.
I mean, it would be neat.
Where do you do that one?
The top of the statue?
Yes. If you want to go to the top of the statue, for the price 300,000 per person.
Okay.
That's fine.
You will see Bali from above, and we have museum and tour guide for explain you inside.
Okay.
Sure.
We saw that you can't fly drones.
If you want to fly drone, please fill on the permit first and information center.
See?
Okay.
Yeah.
But
That's
you
fine.
must pay the ticket first, yeah?
Hey.
Okay.
If you want to choose this one,
Yeah.
for the payment by card.
Okay.
Yes. Can
Yes,
you
please.
show the parking ticket, like?
Yes.
Are you alright?
Someone fell, and now she only has one half of her glasses. Yep. We got tickets. At first you can do regular tickets if you just want to walk around, but we decided we want to actually go to the top of the statue, and we also want to see if we can fly the drone. So to do that, we had to get tickets, which are 300,000 per person, and then you have to fill out a form if you do want to fly your drone. So we just filled that out, and you can get shuttle tickets, but now that we got shuttle tickets, I'm kind of thinking that we shouldn't have, because it's only a 6-minute walk. So we'll walk that back, but we'll get the shuttle up there, and there's specific times for you to go up to the top. I guess they only allow so many people, and it's a little warm out here today. Ah, that was a bug. A little warm out here today, so we decided to get an umbrella, and it's free with just an ID. You don't have to actually pay for it unless you damage it. Yeah. Is the statue moving, or the clouds, or the earth?
All?
I think just the clouds are, but it looks like the statue's moving.
When I'm trying to get a nice video and some B-roll, I ask the kids to look natural, and this is what I got.
Oh my God, that's your natural faces.
You made us laugh.
What's the consensus so far?
Don't fall when you're holding your glasses. As
We may. It can also be a cultural thing.
they're gonna carry.
After getting on our booties, we took the elevator up to watch a really cool animated film explaining the story of Garuda Wisnu Kencana. Des loved the dragons, but was upset that they were not good dragons. And after the movie, we walked through the museum that showed us the timeline, artifacts, and how the statue was built, including an area where you can see the internal structure, which River hated. Des's favorite part was the touchscreen, which he could play on for hours.
So this is like our commercial spot. Like right there.
I'm not going.
Yeah, please come on.
No. Except one.
That's scary.
I would have that. No.
Come on.
No.
Hey, please come on, sir.
Come on, River. Come here. You can hold my hand. If we fall together.
Whatever you do, Steve, don't push the button.
What are you doing? Oh, this is like the wall that Estonia.
I want to write something again.
No. Fire. What? Desmond's in his element. River, we're now done with the statue, and you thought it was amazing. This is probably one of your favorite things so far. And you get ice cream afterwards. Now, Des, what did you think?
I very much liked the the elemental smacking part
Yeah.
because combined two of my things. Rhythm sort of games is sort of my thing, and smacking things.
So we may have to do a little bit more research on this, huh? Because there was definitely dragons involved, and you love dragons.
Yeah, and the dragons disappear, and the dragons were the bad guys. Again.
Talk about the wrong stuff.
In all the wrong places.
At all the wrong times.
From the statue, we made our way to the Uluwatu Temple. When we got there, we were given sarongs to cover our legs. River and I got sashes because she's a child and I had on a long dress. Des hated the sarong. We walked down the beautiful walkway and made our way to the cliffside. The monkeys here are very naughty, so be careful.
I can't even access mine.
Don't get close to the monkey.
It's too bright.
It's too bright. He stole his sunglasses, so he had to give him a banana to get it back. Desmond's hot. River's hot.
Don't.
Dad's miserable.
I'm miserable.
Yeah, you look really hot. You're like your dad, though. You run hot. Because this is what we're in right now. The amphitheater. And we have to stay here for another 30 minutes before the show starts. Sorry. It's really, really hot. But that's okay. This is going to be awesome. And if not, I'll let you all know. Hi! Say hi!
The Kecek play, also known as the Fire Dance, takes place as the sun is setting over the Uluwatu Temple. At first, the kids were bored because the chanting does last for at least 10 minutes. But then the action started and the kids loved it. This is a classic tale of a boy who wants a girl, but the girl is married to someone else, so he kidnaps her. Then there's a monkey king, an army, and a battle where the monkey escapes being burned to death. And then he kills the bad guy, and the damsel in distress is saved.
I know. You guys came out. She was like, "Oh, mom!"
I like the young ones. They have little jingles.
They do. They do have jingles. Awesome.
It's really cool. It's really cool.
It's really cool. Thank you so much. Okay, say it again for me.
Jageg.
Jageg. It means very beautiful.
You are so jageg.
Jageg.
You are Kecek.
I love it.
One of our goals with traveling with the kids is to expose them to other cultures and traditions. Today, we successfully introduced them to the ancient stories of Hindu. And with that, we called it a day. Join us next time as we make our way to West Bali, where we get duped at the Uluwatu Temple, and River discovers she loves snakes. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button before heading over to Patreon to support our efforts even further. You get exclusive content, ad-free videos, and so much more just for showing your love. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.